In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a literature review dashboard in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean, repeatable system to track papers, take consistent notes, and connect ideas as your reading grows. Start by creating a new page in Notion and give it the title Literature Review Dashboard. This page will act as your home base. Inside it, add a database. You can choose either a table for a classic spreadsheet layout or a board if you prefer a Kanban-style workflow. Name this database Literature Library, so it's clear what it stores. Now, customize the database with properties that make your research manageable and searchable. Keep the name property as the title of the paper. Add authors as text or a multi-select, depending on whether you want a freeform list or individual tags for each author. Create a status property with options like Not Started, Reading, Summary Pending, and Done. This gives you a quick sense of progress at a glance. Add a type property to distinguish journal article. Review paper thesis or book. Include a publication date as a date property to track recency and spot trends over time. For prioritization, use a relevance property as either a number for a 1 to 5 rating or a select with low, medium, and high. Whichever you pick, stay consistent. Add tags as a multi-select for methods, topics, or keywords so you can filter later by themes. Include a DOI or link as a URL for quick access to the full text. Add a related papers relation that links back to the same database. This helps you map citations or group similar studies. Finally, include a Zotero link as a URL to connect entries with your reference manager. Next, create a literature note template so every paper gets captured in the same structured way. In your database, click the arrow next to the New button and choose the option to create a new template. Name it New Paper Template. In the template body, add clear prompts that guide your thinking. Start with abstract or objective and summarize the core question the paper addresses. Under Methods, note how the research was conducted, including key techniques or datasets. In Key Results, capture the main findings without copying the entire paper. Under Conclusions and Critiques, list strengths, limitations, and anything that doesn't quite add up. In future work, record suggestions the authors make or ideas the paper inspires. Finally, add connection to my work, where you explain why this paper matters to your project and how it might shape your next steps. That's your literature review dashboard in Notion. Use it consistently, and your reading will become searchable, comparable, and truly actionable. Thanks for watching.